Okay, so I'm now gonna be walking through how to attach the body to the head of the bear. To start, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the bear head upside down with the snout pointing away from me. Now, the pattern calls for this being attached between rows 8 and 11. I know my ears were crocheted in place in row 12, making this 11, 10, 9, and 8. I'm gonna just pin this right in the middle of all of these rows in the center of the back of the head. And I know that's gonna be my center part where I'm working my circle around. So if you hold it up, you should make sure that it is still center from looking at it head on, as well as from the back. The easiest trick is starting the body in the same hook size that you built the head. I built this head in a size 8 hook. I'm gonna be doing my body in a 9 hook to make my bear a little bit bigger. So I'm gonna go ahead and start these first 12 stitches with my 8 hook. So I'm gonna grab my yarn. And I'm gonna start in the center, in the back. I'm just gonna stitch in, pulling up a loop. And I'm gonna work these 12 stitches in a circle around my center marker there. So I'm gonna start with 2 in a line. I'm gonna start working up for my 3rd stitch, continue working up and out for my 4th stitch, and then I'm gonna start bringing my circle around. 5, 6, okay, 7, 8, and for 9, I'm gonna start working my way back down. So 9, 10, I'm gonna keep working down and out a little bit. For 11 and 12, I'm gonna start to complete that circle. 11 and 12. Now make sure before you start your first row of the body, you switch your hook to your body hook size and continue from there.